everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty by Ada here. So today I will be doing this simple kid style for moms who cannot braid. If you are one of those moms who cannot braid and you don't know what to do with your child's hair, then this channel is definitely for you, because I have two girls and I definitely do so many hairstyles for mom who cannot braid. So do go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're new here, and click the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I'll be giving you guys all the tips and all the tips and tricks and how to grow your hair, how to grow your kids' hair, and how to take care of your kids' hair. I do practically everything hair and makeup, everything beauty related. So do stay tuned and keep watching. So this hairstyle is very simple. I am going to be using my shine and jam as always. If you've been a subscriber on my channel, you know shine and jam has always been our thing, because it not only helps you to make your parts neat, it helps moisturize the scalp. So I'll be parting the hair into 2 equal parts. And you guys already know how kids are. They can never keep their hair at a place. Like, you guys need to see, I had to edit this video so much because this girl gave me stress. Like, she gave me hell, but it's fine. And I mean, that's kids for you. They can never ever sit at one place when you're doing their hair. They are either crying or doing one thing because they don't just want you to touch their hair. It's just kids for you, so that's fine. So I go ahead to part out the hair. You can see what I am doing. I don't even know how to explain that, but you can see what I am doing. I go ahead to part out this hair and then hold them down with the bands. Those are the colorful bands. You can use whichever bands you want to use, but I use the colorful ones because, as kids, they just love everything colorful. So I just used the colorful bands. Now she's having the first pack of juice. Now she's having the first pack of juice, and she had so many things. Like, wait, I think this is like the 3rd pack of juice or something. She had so many things because I had to just keep her down to do her hair. It's just so stressful. She has she has lots of hair, but she doesn't like me touching them. So we just do this simple style. So for mamas in the house, if you already know how it goes down. So this style is for you. You don't want to miss this. Click that subscribe button and go ahead, click the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I'll be giving you guys all the tips and tricks and all the beautiful hairstyles for your child that you don't even need to know how to braid to do them. You don't need to stress yourself so much. Just, you're welcome to my channel, okay? You're welcome. We are in this together. We are in this game together. Oh my god. So I'm still going ahead to part the hair. It's not something, it mustn't even be equal. It mustn't even, kids' hair are always so beautiful. I don't know, there's just something about their hair. It's always so beautiful. However you do it, if you like, just pack it up in a bun. They still look cute. I mean, these little humans, they look so cute. They're just too cute. So I'm just still going ahead to pat down her hair and then hold it down with the band, the colorful bands that I got. You can get this at any beauty supply store, so that's all you need. So I will leave the link. If you don't, this particular shine and jam that I am using, I will definitely leave the link in the description box down below so you can get that particular type. I just love this shine and jam because it not only helps you make your part look neat, it also moisturizes the hair. Like, I love, and you can ask any braider, shine and jam is the way to go. I use it for all my clients. I use it for practically everything that has to do with braiding. I use it for everything, and you will love it. The smell, everything, like, it smells so good. That's another thing I like about it. I'm a sucker for anything that smells so good. So it smells so good, so that's another reason why I really do like it so much. So as I am done on the first side. I am now going ahead to go to the second side to keep parting the hair and practically doing the same thing and braiding the hair down. Using my band to hold the hair down. So I am still going ahead to do the same thing. So that's just it. So you definitely see what I am doing. Just keep on watching. I had to like take my time and do it like this in detail so you don't miss anything. You understand everything that I am doing, you know. And also, if you have any other video requests, if you have anything you want me to do, anything you want to see, do go ahead and let me know, and I will definitely do that for you. Any video idea, any hairstyle, any hair request, any makeup request, everything, you already know we do everything beauty. We look good in here, like we are here to look good. Okay, so anything you want to see, do go ahead. Any questions you have about any makeup products, any beauty products, just leave it in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you. Of course, I love interacting with everybody in the comment section, so do go ahead and leave that comment and I will definitely answer your questions. And also, I made a video about how I grew out her sister's hair. I don't know, but if you check my channel, if you need that, if you check my channel, you will see that video. It's right on my channel, so you guys can also use that tips to grow your hair or your child's hair. You know, you will see the second girl, how I grew her hair, and I've been using these creams for my clients and it works. So basically what I'm doing is twisting all this and joining them together. You know how you just like how you trying to do like finger curls or something. So just twist them and keep joining them together. Make sure you twist them to be, you know, not like tight, not like it's painful or anything, but tight so it doesn't loosen up. That's the goal. So you just go ahead and, you know, twist them and until you get to the last one of it. And then what I did was I just braided it down just to hold it down for me until I am done. And it wasn't working, so I just used this clip to, you know, clip it down. That's what I did. So now I am going to be using this option. This is actually like, if you don't want to do this, that's fine. If you can pack it any other way you want to, but I just decided to use a braiding hair to just attach to the side, just to braid it down, more like, you know, put an extension to it, just to, because I just want it to drop on her shoulders. I just want them to drop there, then add some beads to it, just to make it more colorful and make it beautiful. So after that, I went ahead to put in some beads, you know, just to make her hair still look colorful. I mean, everything that has to do with kids are always colorful, so. Oh, she's already looking so cute. Oh, look at my baby. Look at my baby. So I practically did the same thing on the other side, and here she is looking so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this hairstyle, and do tag me on Instagram at Beauty by Ada, or do leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. Bye!